In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Drive on Windows. By the end, you'll have Google Drive set up on your PC so you can access your files right from File Explorer. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. This ensures the installer connects to the correct drive right from the start. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look toward the far right side of the page. You'll see an option to install Google Drive on your computer. It may appear as an install button or a small link labeled something like install or get drive for desktop. Click that. A small panel or prompt will appear explaining that you're about to install the desktop app. Go ahead and click install there as well. Your browser will now start the download. If it asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find or simply use the default downloads folder. When the download finishes, open the installer. If Windows shows a security or permission prompt, click yes to continue. The setup will launch and guide you through the installation. Unless you have a specific preference, you can keep the default options to get up and running quickly. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you see the installation complete. After the installer finishes, you should see the Google Drive icon appear in your system tray near the clock, and a Google Drive folder will be added to File Explorer. If the app doesn't open automatically, that's okay. Give it a few moments or search for Google Drive from the Start menu. Once it's running, your Drive files will begin to sync to your computer so you can open, edit, and organize them like any other folder. If you don't see the install option on the right side of the Google Drive page, try refreshing the page, widening your browser window, or ensuring you're on the main Drive home view. A stable internet connection helps, and closing unnecessary apps can make the installation smoother. That's it. To recap, go to the Google Drive homepage, click the install option on the right, confirm install in the prompt, then open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen steps. You now have Google Drive installed on your Windows PC.